ng total cash prize na 200,000 pesos. Good luck.
That's Liana May.
Siyempre, bago natin tanong ang ating fast money, meron 20,000 pesos na mapupunta sa...
Liana May has returned back to the fast money.
GMA Kapuso Foundation.
I remember last year she joined there, but she didn't win the jackpot. But let's see if they can.
Ready ka na?
And together with Kuya Bryce,
Pakilakas ang boses.
both
Si
Bryce
at
and
the waiting
Liana.
area, hindi tayo naririnig.
Let's see how will they do it.
5 questions.
Good luck to them.
Sagutin within 20 seconds. Give me 20 seconds on the clock, please.
Good luck, Princess Liana.
Imbis na basahin ang manual, anong item ang gusto mong kalikutin agad matapos bilhin? Go.
Don't even know what that is.
Kapag sinabing buong tropa o barkada, ilan kaya sila?
10.
Trabahong may uniform.
That is cashier.
Sport na weird kung gagawin sa yelo.
Basketball.
On a scale
Baseball.
of 1 to 10, gaano ka ka-close sa tatay mo?
10.
10.
Let's go, Liana.
Whoa, that's easy. And I must have read her mind every time.
Manual item na gusto
It's
mong
like I have a
kalikutin.
crush on that Liana
Matapos
May.
bilhin, sabi mo yung microwave. Ang sabi ng survey ay, meron. Sige, kapag sinabing buong tropa, ilan kaya sila? Sabi mo 10. Survey says,
Wow!
trabaho may uniform, sabi mo yung doktor. Survey says, awesome.
Okay.
Sport na weird kung gawin sa yelo, basketball. Survey says,
It's hard because it's slippery.
scale of 1 to 10, gaano ka ka-close sa tatay mo? 10? Oh,
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you. Let's welcome back Bryce. Bryce,
Yo, what's up, best friend?
Gusto ka bang batiin o kamustahin?
Hi po sa mga supporters ko. Para sa inyo to.
And I have good news for you. Liana got 117 points.
17.
Ibig sabihin 83 to go.
That's my
Okay,
princess.
Thank you, Liana.
Kaya mo to, Bryce. Ngayon, makikita na po ng mga manonood ang sagot ni Liana. Give me 25 seconds on the clock. Imbis na basahin ang manual, anong item ang gusto mong kalikutin agad matapos mo bilhin?
Yung cellphone.
Kapag sinabing buong tropa o barkada, ilan kaya sila?
7.
Trabahong may uniform.
Nurse.
Sport
Whoa.
na weird kung gagawin sa yelo.
Sa yellow.
Oh my God. Nope.
Soccer.
On a scale
Okay.
of 1 to 10, gaano ka ka-close?
Whoa, you're feeling the pressure, man.
8.
Alright. Umabot.
Ito. Imbis na basahin ang manual, anong item ang gusto mong kalikutin agad matapos bilhin? Ang sabi mong item ay cellphone. Top answer. Ang sabi ng survey ay... Top
There.
Kapag
30.
sinabing buong
33 to
tropa,
go.
ilan kaya
Let's
sabi mo?
see.
7. Ang sabi ng survey?
Can be.
10. Top answer is 10. You got it. 10. Trabaho may uniform, sabi mo ay nurse. Ang sabi ng survey?
My doctor, my
Ang top
nurse.
answer ay police.
Oh,
Sport na weird kung gagawin sa yelo, sabi mo ay football. Or
soccer.
Ang sabi ng survey.
But there's no such. Oh.
Ang top answer, basketball. Nakuha mo rin. And finally, on a scale of 1 to 10.
And for the most intensive part, how close are you with your father? And the answer is 8. Yes! 1 point difference from 10 to 8.
Ang top answer doon, 8. Nakuha niya ang...
Hanep!
Kaya congratulations. May pambili na ng bagong cellphone.
Astig naman! Congrats, Sparkle Team Squad! Sayang lang talaga. Lisa.
Oh, diba? Sabi sa inyo, ang galing na first try. Paalala lang po, don't miss the exciting adventures on Amazing